Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy today. You guys can see who is here with me. I'm sure he does not even need any introduction.
No, come on. Please introduce me. There are some people on the channel that does not know
Who
me.
does not know Wode? I don't even think it's possible. But in case you guys don't know who this is Mr. Ghanababy.
I am Maya. I don't even know myself.
Mr. Ghanababy or Wode Maya?
Mr. Ghanababy, what am I? What am I means my mom because my mom supported my idea of
What's the
becoming a
meaning
YouTuber.
of Wode Maya?
My mom.
Really? To be honest, I thought maybe Maya was your name.
No. Maya means mom.
No
Wada
way.
means mine. So
And
what
people
am I?
call you Maya. People just
Yeah, it's
Maya,
okay. It's
like,
okay to call me my mom's name. That's
guys, this is Mr. Maya,
yeah.
Mr. Ghanababy, and he's here in Port Harcourt,
Exactly.
and I'm so happy to be able to collaborate with him today. You guys don't even know my excitement.
Wow.
And today we're just going to talk about, like being a Nigerian YouTuber, comparing it to what it feels like to be a YouTuber in China. And in fact, he has
Ghana,
he has been to everywhere. Being a YouTuber somewhere that is not in Nigeria,
Exactly.
basically, right?
Yeah.
So,
being a YouTuber in Africa in general is difficult.
very. I think
Internet.
so too.
Filming, they'll tell you, don't use your camera here. They don't tell you that.
That thing pisses me off so much. Like, okay, just last week in Abuja, I went to a supermarket.
Yeah.
It was a freaking supermarket. I mean, my camera was in my handbag. They searched the bag before I entered. They're like, you can't go in with your camera. I'm like, what's the difference? If I still want to take pictures, I can take with my phone. They said, yes, you can take pictures with your phone, but you can't take pictures with your camera.
But we need to educate them that my phone is even better than my camera. My phone takes 4K.
Exactly.
4K.
Exactly.
4K.
To me, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, but that's how it is. And then the power issues, you guys, I'm sure I don't need to even say a lot on this. You'll be filming, they'll take life. You gotta start pushing gen, running gen. If you don't have fuel or diesel, you have to go and start. No, it's very, very.
And another thing is like internet is expensive. It's really expensive.
What's the how much is internet in Ghana?
In Ghana, it's way too expensive than even Nigeria.
Oh, really? Like
that's
how much a month?
How much a month? Like I think you can spend like $100 on the internet.
What?
$100 on the internet. Like
And we're complaining.
If you want a fast internet, you
Yeah.
can spend $100 like a month. That's even, I don't think they even have something like that. So that's one thing that I say that YouTube in Africa is difficult. Internet power. What else again?
Accessibility.
Oh my god.
Having accessibility to just basic places. Here in Nigeria, internet cost me like 12,500 a month, and it's enough.
12 what?
12,500 naira. In dollars,
okay.
it's like 20 something.
What?
No. Sorry, about 30 something or 40 something.
I mean, like
dollars.
unlimited.
No, it's not unlimited.
That's
But it's just enough.
Wow.
When I pay that amount, I get like 80 gig.
80. Wow.
80
But me, I need the unlimited internet because I always need to be online.
In Nigeria, unlimited is a scam. When you pay for unlimited internet, once you get to the 100 gig cap, bam, your internet stops working. It stops.
Wow.
They call it unlimited, but it has a cap.
Wow.
Is it like that in Ghana?
No, I don't think so because in Ghana, I have a friend who uses unlimited internet, so I go there and upload my videos and stuff. But I'm trying to get my own.
Cap. It has a cap here. So it does, for me, I feel like they're scamming me because I'm paying ×2 of what I'm paying to get 80 gig to get unlimited.
Wow.
And then you cap it at 100 gig. After 100 gig, not like you won't have access to internet, but before you load one picture on Instagram, it can take you 30 minutes trying to load up picture.
A picture on Instagram?
Slow. Yes, once you reach your cap. Before your cap is fast.
Wow.
But once you reach that 100 gig
Wow.
cap, it gets so slow and so frustrating.
But people think that YouTube is not a business. You don't think so? YouTube is business?
You know the funny thing, yeah? I like that people look at YouTubers as underdogs and they look at us as unemployed. They look at us like, see this one.
Oh
You just have a hobby.
Yeah, just wasting your time.
I'm not angry about that, to be honest, because I mean, I don't need anybody even knowing my business, if you get what I mean. But I have friends, like I was just telling you, they work in banks or offices or different places. Not like they make okay money, but I know I make more money than them. Yeah. But they look down on me, maybe not to my face, but maybe when we are having conversations, I can tell that they see me as an unemployed, jobless housewife. But I'm okay with it. I never even argue with them. You know what? I'm still proud to be a housewife. I'm proud to be a YouTuber. I'm proud to be all that I am.
Well, just let them know that YouTube is not what they think. I mean, I'm not here to tell you do YouTube or not, but it's like when you started yourself, you will know that no, these people were not joking, or these people were not playing.
True.
You know, so that's
and
how it is.
People don't know the work it takes. YouTube is a lot of work. You guys,
you shoot, you edit. Oh my god! And use a title, somebody will come and insult you.
Like the passion I've been getting with my titles, but that's all part of the job. As long as it's something I love doing YouTube, I enjoy doing YouTube. So.
And what's your biggest challenge doing YouTube? Your biggest challenge? I mean, your biggest challenge.
My biggest challenge when it comes to YouTube is sometimes, the thing is, okay, there are two different types of challenges for me. Minus the normal challenge that we get living in Nigeria, like having access to places and buying fuel all the time to be able to use our ring lights, because when you don't have good lighting, your video is not good. Minus all those other ones that we've just mentioned, there is this one that you feel like you're putting in so much work, but people are not appreciating the work. Sometimes I feel like I put in so much work, so much content, and sometimes you're just looking at your subscribers and they are growing, but so slowly. And I'm like, what am I doing wrong? You see people that maybe I had 10,000 when they started YouTube, and now they have like 30K, and I'm just like, what am I doing wrong? Why are people not subscribing? What advice do you have for that?
For me, I would say that don't be discouraged. Definitely. Keep doing your thing. Everybody has its own time, because there are people that used to look down on me, but I can divide my subscribers into 4 and they'll have one. You understand? So that's how YouTube works. So you keep doing your thing, like you love what you're doing. Keep pushing. Be consistent. Create content that has value, not just random videos and stuff. Because we have random videos sometimes, but you have at least one video that that this video is powerful and it brings the views, it brings the subscribers, and that's it. I'll say YouTube in Africa is difficult. Before it was challenging for me. Like I got pissed, because I live in a country where you can vlog anywhere, any day, anytime.
Is that easy in Ghana?
In China, I was vlogging in China. Like you go to a mall, you go to an airport, you go to a train station.
So there was never, don't come in here with your camera.
No. Unless maybe you go to immigration. Immigration is everywhere. You can. But when I came to Africa, like I'll be vlogging and people will arrest me for vlogging.
No way.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
So it was the biggest challenge. I wanted to give up on this Africa to the world movement, but I realized that people really enjoy it and people want to see more. So I had to forget about the challenges that I'm facing and keep moving. But hey, YouTube in Africa is difficult. That's why like a lot of people are doing sit down and talk. Like they sit in their room and talk.
And videos like that to me, it's not videos I generally enjoy. But I don't really enjoy filming it, and I don't really enjoy watching it. When it's different when you're sitting down and talking about something important, when it's an important issue, or something just interesting, something engaging, something that I can relate with, something that my life can relate with. It's fine. But because in most cases, it's not my favorite.
I realize that YouTube comments are very important. If you do videos and you don't get a lot of comments, which means you are doing something wrong. Because your surroundings, someone can even say that, I did a video here yesterday. Okay, this is the phone. The phone. And in the comment, somebody's like, oh, the phone that behind you is like it's tilted, is distracting you.
Are you serious? I
didn't even say it myself. So like you create a surrounding where people can get something to say. Sometimes something that comes out of your mouth can be controversial. You know it, but you're just living for the people to.
It's the job.
Exactly.
People don't get it sometimes. Like talking about controversial, when it comes to the title, when I use my help, transforming my help into a Melanin princess. I think that was the title of that video. The word my help was so controversial to a lot of people, and I'm just like, but is it really, like, how is that even a problem? But people see problems when they want to see problems. People can like come up with controversies where there is nothing. But what people don't understand is when it comes to YouTube, I don't mind. It's okay. It's part of the job.
That's the thing. You should be ready for everything. That's what I'm telling people.
It's actually part of the job.
You should be ready. Like you create controversial episodes. It doesn't mean that you hate your own people, or because I uploaded a video of how do you call it, bleaching in Nigeria, and I've not slept. Like people are sending me emails. Nigeria, I've done a lot for you. Now this is what you're doing to disgrace us.
But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be able to air your thoughts about bleaching in Nigeria.
Oh my God!
What has Nigeria done for you?
Oh my God! They said Nigerians have done. Man, I haven't slept.
By you, did they mean you personally or Ghana?
No,
I don't understand.
Because I'm from Ghana, right?
Yeah.
So when I say anything, they think that because I'm coming from Ghana, I hate
you.
Nigerians
Feel like Ghanaians are always attacking us. We always feel attacked by Ghanaians.
Stop being so sensitive online, man. Like
people are oversensitive online.
I uploaded that video 2 a.m. and I woke up to
see
600 comments.
Issue very, very, very recently when she opened her Patreon account. And everybody's like, what were they even saying? Why are you forcing us to contribute money for you?
Man,
it's
you
not
have to support. You have to support your own people because I know people that they don't even make money on AdSense, but their Patreon is higher than.
And GoFundMe. I know Americans that under all their videos they have their GoFundMe, they have their Patreon, they have so many other methods people can support.
Africans will complain and they will never even support. They will complain stop begging.
And don't believe me, a lot of people complaining is either they're not even subscribed or they just all these people that just come and go, because the people that actually subscribe and like you and love your channel, they understand it.
Exactly.
Those are the people you don't need to explain it.
So I'm telling you, like, if you really want to do YouTube in Africa, be ready for all these things. You're gonna face all these challenges but that shouldn't stop you to go get what you want.
It gets very discouraging.
It's worth it to be a YouTuber. Worth it, man.
It's really worth it. It's worth it. I know I'm not your level yet.
No.
I aspire to get there somewhere. I'm sure by the time I'm reaching there,
soon.
You've gone far, but I aspire to get there someday.
No problem.
But people like you actually motivate me. Sometimes just like this YouTube stuff is even worth it.
It's worth it.
But I know deep down it is just. We just get discouraged sometimes. I know it is, and I know I enjoy it. I feel like that's another thing. If you don't enjoy YouTube, you will give up.
Exactly, and you have to. That's what I'm saying. That you are getting paid for your passion.
Yeah.
So you know what? If it's your passion, you keep on doing it. You don't even feel tired because people are paying. Yeah, you're getting views and people are getting you're getting paid because of what you love.
Yeah.
Sometimes you might work in office like it's not what you love. You're just doing it because your boss has to pay.
And then they still come and look down on us. For
exactly.
It's just funny. It's ridiculous.
I'm gonna tell you, if you want to be a YouTuber,
this is the time.
Start now. I'm not joking.
This is the time.
Yeah.
I wish I started YouTube. Actually, I opened my channel ages ago, but I think I uploaded like 3 videos. Then I stopped.
Wow.
No upload for years till I started again like recently.
Wow.
I'm just like, if I was consistent since that time, I believe I should have grown now. Because then people weren't even doing YouTube. It was easy to. I feel like it was a bit easier to get subscribers then. Now it's very competitive.
Yeah,
it's quite competitive.
Don't see it as competition.
Not competition per se, but there are so many. Like it's more difficult to get seen. It's more difficult to get.
Yeah, because a lot of people.
I'm like, what? YouTube they've never what's it called? Recommended your video on my channel before.
Wow. That's how it is.
I discovered you through other people that comment on my channel to check out your channel. See what YouTube have been doing to me. That was it.
They're not even recommending.
But how I discovered Diana was through recommendation.
And when I started receiving comments about you, that's when your video started popping up on my.
Oh, really?
So even this morning, like 2 videos.
Oh,
so
really?
I was telling Trudy was like, "Are you watching Nelo?" I was like, "Yeah, just today because we're about to meet her and I'm getting like recommendation about." I was shocked, like getting recommendations. This
sometimes
morning.
YouTube, I don't know, they don't even recommend our fellow like African YouTubers, or they keep recommending some people I don't even care about. It's funny. I don't know how it works,
but the African YouTube market is about to boom. So join the movement.
We're growing and we're proud of the job we're doing. I'm actually quite proud of my YouTube channel, to be honest. I'm always happy to tell anybody about my channel, subscribe, this is what I do. Especially when people see me carry my camera around and they're like, are you just filming yourself? I'm like, yes, I film myself for a living. This is what I do, and I'm always just so proud to talk about it.
YouTube, you can survive on YouTube. Not just survive, you can live on YouTube.
You can live large on YouTube.
Live large. Like right now, if I want to live large, come on, it's just then I'm done. But just want to do low key, do your thing, enjoy what you do.
You're just still being yourself. Exactly. You're not trying to be someone else because YouTube is working out for you. You're just still being yourself, and to me, I think that's why you keep growing.
Exactly.
That's actually why you keep getting. If you start being fake now, they will see it from far and they will run. That's like I know some YouTubers that when I started they were normal. And then all of a sudden, 20,000, 50,000, and they now have Fune, and all of a sudden they don't eat Gary again. All of a sudden they only go to Chinese restaurants.
Oh my God,
I'm just like,
no, me I eat ewagonye.
What's that?
You don't know ewagonye?
No.
Wow, you go to Lagos, they have food called ewagonye, beans and red oil.
Oh, I've never had that. Man. I know the food, but I've never had that.
So that's what, like, you know, when you're being real on camera, people just love you. Like, people just love you.
When people ask me, oh, what advice? I get a lot of DMs. What advice do you give an upcoming YouTuber? To be honest, I see myself as obviously compared to I am upcoming. I see myself as an upcoming YouTuber.
Wow.
But still, when people ask what advice do I give upcoming YouTubers, I'm just like, just be yourself. It will show through, and people that will love you for you will love you for you.
Yeah, we are all upcoming YouTubers, and we hope that somebody.
I mean, to somebody else, you're upcoming. I guess.
Exactly.
I don't think so.
No.
I don't think so. I don't think anybody with 100K can call themselves upcoming. I don't even think 50K has the right to say upcoming.
No, I'm upcoming YouTuber because I want to reach.
Diana and I were upcoming YouTubers. We're upcoming YouTubers. We'll get there someday.
No, believe me when I get there. You know, when I started YouTube, I used to say, believe. If you check my old post when I started YouTube, it's all about believe me when I get there. That was my phrase, and I'm getting there gradually. We'll get there someday.
We'll all get there. We'll all get there. I'm just so happy to meet you.
No,
I've actually learned a lot from this 1 hour, 2 hours meeting than I've learned probably this year or even since I started YouTube. To be honest, you know, with YouTube, you have to be smart. You just anybody you meet, talk to them, pick up 1 or 2 things, and
keep
I'm
yourself.
So happy that we met. I'm so happy. And that's another thing. Sorry, before we finish this video, some people are so stingy to share what they've learned on YouTube. Why? People should help us. Like he said, don't see it as a competition. I'm not competing with you. It's not like we're at a job place that they are going to promote one person or increase somebody's salary.
Exactly.
You know.
But me, like I believe in sharing. When you share, you might share something that I don't know. So the more I meet YouTubers, the more I talk to them to do this, do that, and they'll also share some petty things that I don't know. Then I'll add it to my knowledge, and I keep on moving. So this is how it is, and I'm so happy to meet you. I need to try and film it. I cannot have enough time. I would have met you yesterday to do street because me, I like street videos, you know.
Please, I'm up for anything. Please.
All right. So we're gonna do a video. Let me just bring my camera and
thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. I know it was so last minute, but I'm just so happy that you are here. This little discussion, I'm sure will help 1 or 2 people. It will help some people definitely.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, guys.